Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you an application which is very useful in recording voice, which has a good clarity and a quality of nice voice, and we can do many effects and pitches and all. So without wasting time, let's go to the video. So guys, as I said, I'm going to show you an application which is useful in recording voice. So that application's name is Lexus Audio Recorder. For that, to download, go to Play Store and type Lexus Audio Editor. This is the name. So I have already installed it. So guys, if you like, you can install. So I have installed this app. Now let's open it. See guys, you can see now the application's interface comes like this, and you can record your voice with this red button over here. That's recording button, and you can stop recording at this one and play your recorded voice at this green button and pause it at this one. And then I have all recorded a voice, and you can go to three dots, and you can see that there is many sound. When we wait for some time, you can see the wind noise. To reduce that, go to these three dots, effects, and then go to noise reduction, and then nothing to do, so just apply. You can see the many of the sound has gone, background noise has all gone, and now it's the clear. And then you can do any effects like reverse. You can change the pitch if you want. Now I have put at this pitch. If you want, you can increase it, lower it. I'm putting at 0 and apply it. And then you can share or you can download by clicking on the save, and then you can import any files or something. And then effects, there are many options. You can reduce the echo, many things. If there is a echo room, you can reduce the echo by using this echo option. And then you can convert stereo, mono, something like that. And then this application is very useful, and then you can apply any types of effects. You can edit it. So if you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.